is 2 minutes to 8 on the 31st of May, and I am about to head to McDonald's and then to the train station to go to the airport. This is the travel fit.
That was when I was somewhat confused.
I'm going to have to be so careful to not do anything incriminating while that's filmed.
I'm not doing that much.
What the heck?
There they are. Because you've got so much mints in your mouth, it helps with anxiety. Ah! Boarding the plane. Say hi. Hello. We've lost the others. There's somewhere back there.
Somewhere.
It's very windy. It's very windy. We have landed. That's so nice.
Right, troops.
Have they gone through? Let's go. Car.
Put that on. I don't know why it's so.
Because I took it off. I don't know.
You silly woman. You've got cruise control on here as well. Bush.
Bush.
Such a good call.
Ozzy, give us a flex.
We also have like a million sometimes.
Hello.
Hand cream, vitamins.
What are you doing?
We're just having a look what we got in here. Would you like
Start
a
vlogging the entire thing.
straw?
Start vlogging the whole holiday.
A straw.
I did that when I went
Oh yeah, we got loads.
So I've got a portable on the...
Tit, tit, tit.
It's kind of bad when a car is too small for my rules. My rules.
Off to the beach.
I'm boiling. I'm actually gonna like burn in the car. Can you give me the keys? I need to turn the air conditioning on. It's actually killing me.
I don't see the car then.
Well, how else are we gonna get to the fucking beach? Very much climbable stuff, Jack. Yeah, he's fine. Yeah, you're fine.
Survived.
What, where you landed?
This thing has like no maximum zoom.
What, you should just keep going?
It's very zoomed in. I've got like, it's like a portrait of your face. Oh my god, that's...
No, I'm fucking trying to get out.
Because there's a bit of sliding here, so just jump.
My name's Chania and Almyrida. I'm Jack. Cliff jumping.
Ready? Ready? Alright, bye-bye.
Got little sliders on my hands. There's some shit in these.
Put sliders in. What if they just don't float? You need to go quick, mate, otherwise they're going to fly.
You ready?
Oh,
Go!
come on, Ozzy, with the sliders. Get him, Ozzy.
Oh no, the wind!
Get him, Ozzy, go!
Get the other one.
Go on. He's doing man things.
Yeah, sometimes you'd take him for a walk and then suddenly he would just stop and he would just not move.
Yeah.
And then she'd have to carry him home. To train like I'm going for. Yo, reload. James is just fucking rotting over there.
To a good fucking successful holiday. Good first night.
To a good first day.
Yeah, that's fun.
We turn the cars around and go back.
How about we go this way? One.
Whoa, different perspective.
That's crazy.
Alex was telling Sam when he first came to the scene, and he just went, I don't know what he was doing.
You know how many times I've went like that just for a seatbelt?
Yeah.
I do it every time I get in the car. Let's turn this down a bit.
I didn't hear what he said, but just the picture is funny.
And I don't have any sickness. I'm okay.
Right, now how the fuck is... I'm cutting off my holidays.
Going into Chania. Chania! Woo!
I need to swim in a nap right now. What's its lead like?